Welcome to the installation instructions for the newer technology Power2U AC wall outlet with USB charging ports. In this installation, we're going to show you how to replace a standard wall outlet with a Power2U. We've already gathered all our tools and are ready to start. The first thing we'll need to do is shut off the power to the outlet. The easiest way to do this is to first plug a lamp or nightlight into the outlet you'd like to replace and turn it on. Next, turn off the circuit breaker for the room. You'll know you've got the right one when the light attached to the outlet goes out. Once the power is off, you can proceed with the installation. Unplug everything from the outlet, then remove the front faceplate. Usually this is held in place with a single standard screw, though your particular front plate may be different. Once you've removed the front plate, you can then remove the two longer screws that hold the socket into the wall box. These can be either Phillips or standard screws. The only thing left to do is to detach all the wires connected to the outlet. Once you've detached the wires, you'll want to measure the electrical box to make sure the Power2U fits. The distance between the two mounting screws should be 3 5/8 inches. The width of the box should be at least 2 1/4 inches. The depth of the box needs to be around 2 inches. You may also wish to test fit the Power2U in the electrical box before attaching the wires to make sure everything fits. We need to remove the faceplate on the front of the Power2U. All you need to do is remove the two standard screws that hold it on, and the plate should come right off. Next, remove the insulation covering the ends of the wires. We are now ready to connect the Power2U. Each of the wires on the Power2U corresponds to the wires that you'll be connecting to. The hot wire is usually black and connects to the black wire on the Power2U. The same goes for the neutral wire and the white wire on the Power2U. The ground wire is usually bare or sealed in green. This connects to the green wire on the Power2U. Attach each wire from the wall to the corresponding one on the Power2U using the included wire nuts. Tuck any excess cabling that may have come out back into the wall and set the Power2U into the outlet box. Once the box is roughly in place, tighten the long screws until they're only a half turn or so from being tight. You may have to alternate sides as you go. Make sure the Power2U is as close to vertical as possible, then tighten it down the rest of the way. Next, slide the cover plate over the outlet so that it sits flush against the Power2U. Then secure it into place with the two standard screws. You can now turn the circuit breaker back on. Test the outlet by plugging in a lamp and seeing if it turns on. If it does, the outlet part is working. If it doesn't, immediately turn off the power and recheck all your connections. You should now be able to connect a USB-powered device to one of the Power2U's built-in ports, and it should power and charge.